We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows.
My girls are checking on the animals, checking on their water, and they've put a little tarpaulin in front of the baby bunnies.
One rich little girl, daydreamer.
So the temporary little storm break that the girls have put up for the rabbits appears to be working quite well. There's not too much snow. We're just worried about Dave being so close to the floor. And they seem quite happy. Hey Bob. Hey darling. How you doing? It looks quite good, this little tent. Temporary tent.
A bit more snow in the running down here because we had more this side than this side.
Yeah, so there's a bit.
In there.
So you've protected the babies.
I protected the babies. But then again, not too much snow is going in.
Yeah.
So if she goes to the back, she doesn't get snowed.
You've done a good job.
Thank you.
We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kitten and maid. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
This is just like in a couple of hours. Howdy, Snow Queens.
Bye.
How was the drive home? Snowing right now.
Blizzard.
It is a blizzard.
Right, it's snow and a gale.
So it's midnight and the snow drift is so deep it's hard to walk. It's just drifting through here. See, it's like buried the trailer.
My feet have disappeared. We've got a bit of digging out to do. Betty's digging into the bunnies, singing along.
I'm just digging them out.
Dave looks all right down there, doesn't he? Cardboard stopped.
Hasn't gone further than right front there.
Cardboard held it back, didn't it? Yeah. A lot on top. So we had a power cut from 11:30 last night. So breakfast and lunch is cooked on the wood stove.
That's it, Dippy. You lead, Dippy. You're good at this. Yes, I know. You also like pepper. You don't know. It's not you. That's it. Good boy.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.